Introduction to Azure Synapse ARM template. Azure Synapse is a powerful platform for data integration and analytics. And using Azure Resource Manager templates, also known as ARM templates, is an efficient way to deploy and manage Azure resources, including Azure Synapse. This guide provides a step-by-step overview of creating and deploying an Azure Synapse ARM template. Step 1. Understanding ARM templates. ARM templates are JSON files that define the infrastructure and configuration for your Azure resources. They allow you to declare the desired state of your resources, and Azure takes care of creating and updating them. To get started, you need to understand the basic structure of an ARM template, which includes parameters, variables, resources, and outputs. Step 2. Creating an Azure Synapse ARM template. To create an Azure Synapse ARM template, you start by defining the parameters and variables for your template. This includes the name and location of your Azure Synapse workspace, as well as any other relevant settings. Next, you define the Resources section, which includes the Azure Synapse workspace, storage account, and any other necessary resources. Step 3. Configuring Azure Synapse resources. In the Resources section, you configure the Azure Synapse workspace, including the name, location, and pricing tier. You also configure the storage account, including the type and replication settings. Additionally, you can configure other resources, such as Azure Active Directory and security settings. Step 4. Deploying the ARM template. Once you have created and configured your ARM template, you can deploy it using the Azure portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell. You can also use DevOps tools, such as Azure DevOps, to automate the deployment process. During deployment, Azure creates and configures the resources defined in your template. Step 5. Verifying the deployment. After deploying your ARM template, you should verify that the resources have been created and configured correctly. You can do this by checking the Azure portal, or by using the Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell to query the resources. Best practices for Azure Synapse ARM templates. To get the most out of Azure Synapse ARM templates, follow best practices, such as modularizing your templates, using parameters and variables, and testing and validating your templates before deployment. Additionally, use Azure DevOps to automate the deployment process and ensure consistency across your environments. Conclusion. In conclusion, using Azure Synapse ARM templates is a powerful way to deploy and manage Azure Synapse resources. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create and deploy an Azure Synapse ARM template, and take advantage of the benefits of infrastructure as code and automated deployment. By following best practices, you can ensure that your Azure Synapse resources are properly configured and managed, and that you get the most out of your investment in Azure Synapse.